Hello everyone. In this session we will learn how to find the missing length when the surface area of the prism is given to us. Example 1. The surface area of the rectangular prism is 288 square feet. We are supposed to find the length of the prism. Now in this prism the length is given to you as x, width is 4 and height is 6. Now to find the surface area means we need to find the sum of all the faces. Now the base and the top, the area will be length times width. Length times width. The two side faces will be width into height. And the front face will be length times height. So length into height. So the formula for surface area of a prism is 2 times length into width, the base and the top, plus 2 times width and height, the right and the left faces, and plus 2 times length into height, the front and the back faces. Now we can even factorize this and use it as surface area is 2 into bracket length into width, width into height, plus length into height. The surface area is 288, so we'll substitute the value. Surface area is 288 equals 2 times. The length of the rectangle is x, width of the rectangle is 4, so x times 4, plus width is 4 and height of the rectangle is 6, plus length of the rectangle is x and height of the rectangle is 6. So what we are doing here is we are substituting the value of surface area and length, width and height. Let's simplify it further. Now I have 2 times the bracket on the right hand side, so I can divide both sides by 2. So this 2 will get cancelled, so I'll get here 144 equals, in the bracket 4 into x will be 4x, 6 times 4 is 24 and 6 times x will be 6x. So we get here 144 equal 4x plus 6x. So combine the like terms, we get 10x plus 24. Now we have an equation here which is a two-step equation. To find the value of x, we need to eliminate 10 and 24. So first we will eliminate plus 24, so I'll do the opposite operation, minus 24 on both sides. So we are on the left hand side, 144 minus 24 will give me 120 equals 10x plus 24 minus 24 will get cancelled. Now to eliminate 10, divide both sides, divide by 10 since it is in multiplication. So we get our final answer, x equals 12. So the length of this rectangular prism is 12 centimeter. Example 2. The surface area of a cube is 294. Question is to find the length of the lateral edge. Now in a cube all the 6 faces are equal and they are square shape. So if the side of the cube is S, so area of one face will be side square, and altogether we have 6 faces, so the total surface area of a cube is 6 times the area of one face, that is 6 into side square. Now substitute the value. Surface area is 294, so 294 equal to 6 times side square. Now I need to find the value of S, so you divide both sides by 6. So when we divide by 6, we get 294 divided by 6 is 49 equals side square. Now I need to find the value of S, so to eliminate square we will take square root on both sides. Square root of 49 is 7 and square root of side square is S. So the side of the cube or the edge of the cube is 7 inches. Now let's move on to the next question, number 3. Now question 3, it's a cylinder. The lateral surface area or the curved surface area is given 635.9 square centimeter. The height is 11. We are supposed to find the radius. Now, the formula for a lateral surface is the perimeter of the base or the perimeter of the cross section, you multiply it by the height. So, perimeter into height. So, lateral surface or curved surface is perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r and height is h. Now, let's substitute the value. Lateral surface is 635.9 equals 2 pi will be as it is. R we are supposed to find the value and value of h is 11. So 635.9 is 2 times 11 will give me 22 pi times r. Now to find the value of r, we'll divide both sides by 2 pi. 22 pi. So divide the right side and the left side by 22 pi. So I get my final answer here. Radius is 9.2 centimeters. Now, moving on to the last example. The surface area of the given cylinder is 87.97. We are supposed to find the height of the cylinder. Now, to find the surface area of a cylinder, we need to add the two cross-sectional faces, or we can say 2 times B. B is area of the cross-sectional face, plus the lateral surface area, that is the curved surface area, which is perimeter into height. So when you simplify, you get 2 times area of base is 2 times pi r square, and perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r, height is h. So this is the formula we are going to use to find the surface area. Now we can still further factorize it. So surface area is 2 pi r common, so we are left with r plus h. So we'll be using this formula in this particular example to find the unknown value. Now let's substitute the values what are given to us. The surface area is 87.97. 2 times pi, radius is not given to us, and radius will be same. Radius is given to us as 2 and the height is unknown, so in bracket h. So 87.97 equals 2 pi times 2 will be 4 pi into bracket 2 plus h. Now to simplify this, first what we'll do is we'll divide both sides by 4 pi. So divide by 4 pi and divide by 4 pi. So this will get cancelled on the right hand side. 87.97 put in the calculator and you divide, you will get approximately the answer is 7 equal 2 plus h. Now we need to find the value of h, so we don't need 2, so do minus 2 on both sides. So you get your final answer phi equal to h, that is height equal to 5 centimeters. So this is how we do examples where the unknown value are supposed to be found. We use the formula, substitute the values and solve the equation to find the unknown answer. See you.